In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a zoom-through text intro in Canva that looks cinematic, professional, and perfect for YouTube intros, reels, or promo videos. This effect makes your video appear through bold text and then smoothly zoom forward, creating that high-impact intro style you've probably seen everywhere. The best part is you can do this entirely inside Canva with no advanced editing software. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Canva tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Canva and create a new video design. You can search for video in the homepage search bar and select a standard 1920 by 1080 canvas. Once your blank canvas opens, the first thing we're going to do is set up the background. Change the background color to black. This helps the cutout effect stand out and gives that dramatic intro look. Next, go to Elements and add a rectangle shape. Resize this rectangle so it covers almost the entire canvas, but not completely edge to edge. Leave just a little margin around it. This shape is going to help us create the cutout mask effect in the next steps. Now it's time to add your big, bold text. Click on Text, then click Add a Heading. Type your title, for example, Welcome or Intro. You want to use a thick, bold font because thin fonts won't create a strong zoom-through effect. Some great font options are Anton, League Spartan, or Babus New. Once you've chosen your font, increase the size as much as possible. Make the text huge so it covers most of the screen. The bigger and bolder it is, the better the final effect will look. Position the text centered over your rectangle shape. At this point, you should have a black background, your large rectangle, and your massive bold text on top. Now comes the most important step, creating the text cutout. Select only the text and the rectangle shape together. Make sure you don't select anything else. Once selected, click on Share in the top right corner, then click Download. Choose PNG as the file type. Very important, turn on transparent background. Also make sure you download it at full size for maximum quality. Then click Download. What this does is create a PNG image where the text area becomes transparent, acting like a window or mask. This is what will allow the video to show through the letters. Once the PNG is downloaded, go back into Canva and upload that PNG file. Drag it onto your canvas. You'll now see that it works like a custom cutout frame. Next, drag your video onto the canvas. This can be any footage you want, like cinematic clips, travel footage, or even your own content. After placing the video, click on Position and choose Send to Back. Then place your cutout PNG on top of the video. Now you'll see the magic happening. The video appears through the text while the rest remains masked. This already looks great, but we're going to take it one step further and add the zoom-through effect. To create the zoom-through animation, duplicate the page in your timeline. On the second page, zoom into the video significantly so it fills the screen beyond the text area. Adjust the video scale and position so it looks like the camera has pushed forward through the letters. Now click between the two pages and add a transition. Choose Match and Move. Canva will automatically animate the position and scale difference between the two pages, creating a smooth zoom-through effect that feels dynamic and professional. You can adjust the transition duration to make it faster for a punchy intro or slower for a cinematic feel. Play it back and you'll see the video zooming forward through the text exactly like those high-end intro animations. And that's it. You've just created a zoom-through text intro in Canva using a simple masking trick and the Match and Move transition. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva effects, YouTube growth tips, and creative tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.